Hey y'all, so here is, I got my friend Ceta with me today.
Hey y'all.
We're doing this mukbang, whatever, mukbang.
I don't know, I said mukbang.
Okay, well, it don't matter. But I asked you guys on Instagram whether we should do Mexican food or American food. You guys said Mexican food, so we got some tacos right here. See, got some tacos. We got this random 7-Eleven taco.
I want to try it.
Go ahead.
No.
Oh, okay. And then we got some nachos that we're sharing. And then I got Arizona raspberry flavor, and then she got Pepsi. Okay. Do not forget to subscribe. Turn on your bell button to get notified when I upload a new video. And give this video a big fat thumbs up, and then comment down below what else do you guys want to see us do, me do, I don't know, but comment down below, okay? Anyways, we are so hungry, so now
let's eat.
Let me get some more sour cream.
Oh, that's not enough.
I know.
This is hella good though.
It is, huh?
I don't think so. Where's the jalapeno at?
Oh, you'll see it. You see there's one right there? Right there.
Got the sour cream.
Got the sour cream. And I got these.
I want to taste some nachos.
Go ahead. They is bomb. Give me some lemon. Yeah.
Did you even get what is it called?
Yeah, I put it right there on the side because I didn't know whether you liked it or not. So.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay. I'm gonna eat this one first.
If I burp, y'all, I burp. Like right now. Oh God.
Anyway, let's just talk about today.
I don't know, what should we talk about?
I don't know. Do you like these? No? You weird!
I don't know why, I don't like Arizona.
I used to not like them. But
Then
then
what
I
happened?
tasted them. I tasted the right flavor, which was this one. And it did taste good. So yeah, that's what happened.
He sleep?
He was asleep.
He knocked out.
Let's talk about phones.
You need to get a new phone. That's what you need to do. You need to get an iPhone.
I've been thinking about getting an iPhone, honestly.
How come you don't do it? You and your husband should do it.
Because I called Sprint.
I remember the Androids I have. Oh my God, I wanted to FaceTime my boo, and I couldn't. But now I got an iPhone. I get to FaceTime her 24/7.
I know that's another thing I thought about. I was like, ooh, if I get an iPhone, I get to FaceTime my husband and
And you can do something nasty too.
Yeah. But I would only FaceTime him at work. So.
Or like if there's an emergency, like fuck the call, they're like you can just go.
See what he doing.
Yeah. I thought he had an actual flip phone. When he pulled it, I was like, that's real phone. But it was his work phone.
Yeah.
God damn.
That's him.
My nigga has not even fucking responded to me. The tacos are really good.
The tacos? Which ones? Those? Because the other ones were tacos too.
I like the 7-Eleven one. You should have got more of those.
Next time we cook it, we'll get like a lot of them with some soda and some chips.
What are you gonna do? So what are you gonna do now after you're done doing the academy?
I don't know. I am thinking of doing one of three things: microblading, eyebrows,
Oh.
eyelashes, like extensions, or a course of nails.
You should do nails.
I don't know. Some people I've seen
A lot of people are doing eyelashes.
A lot of people are telling me to do eyelashes, but then I have a few people telling me to do microblading because they would get it done with me.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, and which one do I do? And then nails is the one I want, but I don't know.
And the nails, you gotta practice more on those.
I like the microblading though because it's kind of like a tattoo, and I've always wanted to do tattoos.
Have you tried it on yourself? Like go to somebody else and like they do it for you?
I don't want to get it done.
Why?
I have enough. I have enough eyebrows.
I thought those are for people that don't have enough fucking eyebrows.
Maybe not nails then.
You could do nails. I feel like the glue, you have to find like a good ass glue to do it. I don't know why. I always have to check on my tacos. They have fat in it. I don't like the fat.
Mine too.
I always have to check because I don't know. I don't
Look, I found one.
Yeah, like I have to check it because
I always do the same.
okay, I'm not the only one. Good. Cause look right now. Look, I found one. And she's calling.
Go ahead, answer.
Hello.
If I buy it for you over the counter, I don't think it's asked for me. What are you eating?
We're doing it right now. We're eating tacos.
All right, well, you put me in it. What are you eating?
Say hi, Esme.
What's up, YouTube? Hey, Vinny. Okay, so you know how I told you I want to go to black? I want to go black chicken. Do you prefer over the like the boxes like from like Walmart, or can you get it like if I were to go with you to get it? Like,
Yeah.
would you do it for me?
Oh, would I do it? Yeah.
Is it better with like the boxes or like the ones the store you went to? Wait, hold on. I'll say that. Hold on.
What the hell?
Weirdo. Oh. What the fuck?
She funny.
Okay.
Grab it.
Jackie? Yeah.
Jackie's here?
Not here. There.
No, I don't know what to say. Like, Jackie's over there? Is Jackie over there?
What?
Is Jackie over there?
No, report to the store. Whoa! Whoa! Fucker.
Talking to the dog.
I'll listen to y'all when y'all done. Stay back.
What?
What are you guys eating?
Ugh, we're eating tacos.
Fucking bitch. What are you eating? That ain't good too, bitch.
Oh, you're with Jackie.
Yeah, pull the fuck out. What are you eating?
I'm eating tacos and nachos.
That's all the mom call.
All right, let y'all bitches go. Bye. Weirdos.
She started a conversation that didn't even finish.
Right. No, because she wants to do her hair black, but she asked if she should do it like from Walmart, like the Walmart and Target boxes, or like from the cosmetology one. Like the one that you took us to. Remember?
Whatever she wants to, really.
But what's better? She was that? Bro, lately, I've been watching paranormal shit. But I don't know, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's normal because I watched it, like, I would watch it, I watched it for like a certain period of time too. Like, bruh, they be collecting everything I eat.
I'm telling you, I
better blur this out.
no.
Not this, but my boobs.
I'm not big like that.
But yeah, I watched it. I watched it like for a certain period of time for like every day. It was like interesting.
Yeah, cause like I want it to happen.
What?
Like the paranormal, like how do I say, like shit moving around.
No, why would you want that to happen? You weird.
Cause I don't believe in that stuff.
What? Did you finish your tacos?
Yes.
Did I go?
They were good. They really were good.
Mhm.
I wish we had more in that 7-Eleven.
Mhm.
I wish I was him. Fucking Jaden. So when is baby number 2 coming?
This year.
When? When are you planning on it?
We don't have a certain month, just whenever it comes.
When it happens, it happens. Boy or girl?
Exactly. I'm going for a boy.
I want a little Vidiana.
Oh my god, no.
Oh my god, yeah.
No, not yet. After like the 7th child.
I want one.
Oh, have you and your boyfriend talked about it?
Hold on, let me start my food. I want one. He knows I want one.
You know he gonna watch this video too.
Yep, you wanna watch this video, babe. But I do want one. I really do, but he says, babe, like, yeah, not yet. Not yet. I'm like, why? And it's gonna fuck up my career. I see that, but I don't know. I really want one.
We are done now.
We're done.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know on my Instagram. I'll link it somewhere down below, or it'll be somewhere right here on the screen. Let me know what other food you guys want us to do or
eat
or whatever. Excuse me. Or just whatever other challenge you guys want us to do, or me to do, or if you guys want anybody like else on the channel.
Hell no, bitch.
Like no, like my husband, or I don't know, my mom or somebody. Let me know, and I will be sure to do so. Okay. Okay. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you guys want to see. And I'm probably gonna go take a nap now because I'm so tired.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I won't be here.
But yeah, let me know, and then I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.